Hi, I am architect Nimish the founder of Cootershell. Today, I welcome you to the third episode of RENOVER. RENOVER is a series where we renovate houses and make our dream home. So, in this episode of RENOVER, we are going to renovate a 2 BHK apartment which areas around 720 square feet, which was specially designed for Saurabh Ghadge, who is a very OG content creator on Instagram. You must be knowing him by his term orange juice. So he had given us no brief as such. So we had our whole liberty to design the space in a very creative manner. So starting with the hall, he had a very linear type of hall, which open up to a very nice natural element, which in case as a, was the focal point of the living room. Then we had a kitchen which was very compact, so we had to make some civil changes for the kitchen to open up. Then we had a master bedroom which was quite huge, so we had a nice space to decorate, and again a compact children's bedroom where Saurabh had his studio cum bedroom area. The hall was a longish and a linear kind of hall which opens up to the beautiful view of Mulund. So, but obviously we had designed the living space concentrating on the beautiful view of window. Normally we design the ceiling in a very simple format, so we had only added a element on the ceiling which complements the theme house of curves. We have also hung a linear chandelier in between the two fans to keep that continuity of design. We designed the TV unit in a contemporary fashion. We also gave ample of storage as client requested for it. Then we also added a goodbye mirror on the TV unit itself in a curve fashion, as this was the pathway for the exit of the house. As the house consists of four living members, so we had a very compact requirement of dining area. So we placed the dining table parallelly to the window. We also inserted a 3D sheet to complement the design, and also added a chandelier which enlightened the 3D molecules of the design. As this was the highlighting wall of the living room, we cladded it with molding, and also inserted paintings in between the moldings to keep the wall playful with a small amount of colors. So we placed a fluted glass sliding door for the passage, and we slided it into the TV unit design. This was the best position for sofa, as this creates a very small pocket from the entire living room for the living space which we enjoy for televisions and all. We had inserted a 3D sheet here as well to decorate the wall behind sofa. Then we added a shelf above the 3D sheet to keep your artifacts and some frames. There was a very back and forth for the safety door decision, so we had to look out for a reference image which client liked very much. So we had added our touch in the reference image, and also implemented the elements of curves on the safety door to keep the harmony between the design. We had used a subtle combination of green and wooden laminates which complements the black granite which was existing. We also added a shelf above the service counter so that it could be used for the open crockery unit. So changed the highlighter tiles as the existing one was not complementing our design. So we had to replace it with a white brick glossy finish tile for the highlighters. In the passage we created a checkered wardrobe for laundry area. So we covered all the unnecessary parts of the laundry area and kept open shelf for decorative purpose so that it doesn't look heavy into the passage. So we placed a 6 by 6 king size bed in the master bedroom and also cladded the headboard with cushion to keep it a modern look. Added MDF strips in the niche created by the columns and the beam. Then we also cladded the wall opposite to the bed, as that was the wall where TV was going to be hung. So we cladded it with MDF sheet and the molding putties. We also added chandeliers to keep the harmony between design. We created a wardrobe on the entrance of the door so that it doesn't come into the eyesight of the person entering the master bedroom. We wanted to keep the spaciousness of the room as it is, so we used light colors and also a long handles, which was the highlighting element of the wardrobe. As a theme for this bedroom was studio space come bedroom space. So we had cladded the highlighting wall of the room with white brick tile. We also added the curve element on the headboard of his sofa cum bed. We added shelves in the corner of the house to use them for the decorative purpose. Then we added the study table just opposite to the highlighting wall, as that can act as the backdrop for video calls and shooting purpose. We also had a dark theme wardrobe on which on the left hand side was the wardrobe space, and on the right hand side first half was the blazer space where we can keep jackets and all. Then the center part was again a showpiece space, and the bottom part was used for the shoe rack, as he requested for some provision for showcasing his shoes. We had inserted profile lights and drawer system for his shoes. We had inserted mirror just behind the bedroom door, so that it doesn't disturb the design.
thank you for watching the video till here. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel The Cooter Shell because we keep on posting long format videos on YouTube. Do follow us on Instagram as we keep on posting all our new projects and daily updates on Instagram. DM us your queries and requirements on Instagram, we'll surely attend it. Like this video and comment down your favorite part of this house. Till then, see you to the next episode of RENOVER.